The Load Audit Program button on every assignment landing page navigates users to the Audit Documentation module. By default, the screen opens in execution mode with no tasks to display. Switch to the Planning mode by clicking on the Planning button. Planning mode is accessible only to users with Checker, Approver, and EQCR roles. This mode displays all active tasks configured on the Task Management Settings page for the given assignment type. The tree structure is displayed in a collapsed view by default, showing only the group-level tasks, while all child tasks remain hidden. The Expand All and Collapse All buttons allow users to easily control the view, helping them better navigate and review the various tasks available for the assignment. In the expanded view, users can see every individual task within each group task. The task type is displayed clearly in the column next to the task name. Tasks within a group may include nested group tasks with further child tasks. They may also include letter tasks, questionnaire tasks, to-do tasks, and special tasks. This structured layout provides a clear and comprehensive view of the audit program. As the Audit Documentation module is customizable, users can add additional tasks as required. When new tasks are created through the Configure Tasks screen, they are not displayed in planning mode by default. To include these newly added tasks, users can click the Reload Task List button. This action refreshes the task list and displays all newly added tasks within planning mode. As the name suggests, planning mode lists all available tasks by default, allowing users to choose the tasks that are applicable for each assignment. Task selection can be performed at an individual task level or in bulk by selecting multiple tasks simultaneously. The system does not automatically select any tasks. When the screen is loaded, all tasks are marked as not applicable by default. Users can mark a task as applicable by turning on the toggle switch under the Action column. For bulk updates, users can select the checkboxes next to multiple task names and use the Action drop-down to choose either Mark as applicable or Mark as not applicable, thereby updating the applicability of the selected tasks. The Load Audit Program module also allows users to track timelines by setting tentative start and end dates for each task. These dates can be assigned in bulk using the Action drop-down or individually using the Edit Task option under the Action column. In addition to dates, the Edit feature also allows users to manage user access rights for each task. Tasks can be assigned to selected users from the overall assignment team, ensuring that only relevant members are allocated to each task. Any allocation changes made at a group task level automatically cascade down to its child tasks, maintaining consistency across the task hierarchy. Roles are defined at the time of assignment setup. If a role, such as EQCR, is not included at that stage, it will not be available for any task under the assignment, and tasks cannot be marked for that role. During assignment planning, if users are added to or removed from a role, those updates become available at the task level. Planners can then include or exclude specific users for each task directly from the planning mode screen. Roles can also be tailored per task. For example, if EQCR review is not required for a particular task, it can be skipped. Each task then follows its own workflow based on the roles assigned, such as Maker, Checker, Approver, and EQCR. An additional feature available on the Edit screen is the ability to grant client access on a task-by-task basis. The Client Access Level drop-down provides 3 options. No access, where the client has no visibility into the task. Read-only, allowing the client to view task details without edit permissions. Can work, which grants the client full edit access to the task. This ensures controlled and need-based client participation throughout the audit process. Once a task is completed, it will no longer be displayed by default under the planning mode. To view completed tasks, users can enable the Include Completed Tasks checkbox, which will display both completed in addition to the pending tasks. Since the planning mode screen shows the complete list of tasks, regardless of task ownership, all assignees with access to the assignment can view this screen. Users can select the Show Only My Tasks checkbox to display tasks assigned to the currently logged-in user across all roles. For example, if none of the tasks under the group task, materiality, and testing are assigned to the logged-in user, selecting Show Only My Tasks will remove those tasks from the user's view.